Toot toot. Hey, beep beep. What is up, y'all? I am back. I wanted to show you guys how I achieved my DIY jumbo knotless braids on natural hair with curly ends. That was a mouthful, but okay. If you guys are new here, I am Alicia Simone. My friends and family call me Sammy. You guys are friends and family, so y'all can call me Sammy too. I'm gonna show you guys everything I needed to achieve these braids. I'm gonna hopefully show you guys slow enough that you'll be able to catch on how exactly I do this technique. It would definitely help if you knew how to regular box braid, but if you don't, you just might be able to catch on still. So stay tuned. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, leave some suggestions below on what you guys want to see from me. And yeah, let's get into it. So let's get started, y'all. The braiding hair that I'm using is Glance Formation Natural Touch braiding hair in a T27 in 20 inches. The curly part of the hair is Expressions Twisted Up, Passion, Bohemian Curl, and there is the color that I am using. I started off using Shine and Jam, but you will see later on in the video that I had to switch what I was using. A Rattail Comb, of course, for my parting. And these cute little plastic clips to hold my hair out of the way while I'm braiding. And then mousse to put on my hair after I'm done. And I will be sure to put everything that I used in the description box, so don't worry. Okay, y'all, so I am not the best at parting my own hair, so I'm gonna spare y'all having to see that. Also, I am not 100% satisfied with how these braids turned out. They are not the best ones that I have done, but I am working on being consistent, and I really want to be transparent on my page. So this is me showing y'all that you will not get it right every single time. I am still learning what works on my hair. Like I said, I had to change products as far as what I was laying my hair down with, and I will show y'all that in a second. I'm also not satisfied with the parting because your girl was struggling. So if you have any advice or any way that it would be easier for me to part my hair, please feel free to drop it below. But hopefully the technique of the actual knotless braid still comes across, because that was my main goal, to show you guys how I did that. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta push through, sis. Sometimes you just gotta work with what you have. And the braids were still wearable, so I try my best to make it work. So here we go. So guys, this is me showing you how I got the knotless braid. If you know how to braid, this part will be easy. You just braid down maybe once or twice, and then that's when you start adding the synthetic hair. And I've added by placing it on 2 strands of my hair, and you literally just start braiding down. You add the hair, you match it up with your hair, and then you just braid down. Here's me adding another piece, and I try to add it every 2 or 3 turns. So I'm just braiding all the way down, and I add about 8 pieces of hair to it on the way down. I do have these pieces of hair separated already. I just have them separated and laid out on my little table that I have beside me. So that makes it a lot easier when you already have the hair separated. So make sure you do that.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
So when I get close to the end of a braid, that's when I start putting the curly pieces into it. So I use the same technique, just adding it by placing it on 2 strands, and then I incorporate it into the braid by just braiding down. I'll add 1 strand at first. I'll go down maybe 2 or 3 times, and then I add the other strand of curly hair. So I wanted to show y'all again how exactly I added the hair, because it wasn't as clear as I wanted it to be. So here's me adding the curly pieces to the end of a braid. Like I said, you just match up the pieces with the strands of hair that's already in the braid on each side, and then you just braid down. And I only added 2 curly pieces to the ends of the braids. So now I'm just putting the mousse on all of the braids. That was a fail. Let's try that one more time. Just make sure that all of the mousse gets on every single braid. This is actually my favorite part. To me, it just helps the hair to, you know, lay down a little bit better. So you guys, what I use on my edges is the Edge Booster Pomade, and I'm just gonna slick them bad boys down really quickly, and we are finished, guys. Like I said, it was not perfect, but I really hope that what I was trying to show y'all came across in this video. I hope that it helped in some way, and just remember that you will not get it right all of the time. The key is to just push through and to be consistent and to keep trying and practicing. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.